COVID-19 crisis, the state reported a new record, 186 deaths and more than 9,000 new COVID cases just today.
As hospitals in Miami fill up, they're now spilling into Broward County. 7 of Broward County's hospitals are at capacity for ICU beds. Now here in Palm Beach County, 2 hospitals are in capacity and Good Samaritan has only 1 ICU bed left. Now despite that, hospital officials tell us they're ready for any influx of patients from Broward County. Here is a look at the percentage positives. Palm Beach County is seeing 10.9%, while Broward County is at 10.8%, and Miami-Dade County sits at 17.5%. Coronavirus victims here in Palm Beach County under the age of 70 are almost entirely black and Hispanic. Now that's according to new analysis by the CBS 12 News I-Team, which has been digging into medical examiner records.
I-Team reporter Danielle Walsh shows us how the numbers break down by age and race.
Even for medical experts studying this virus, the racial disparity among Palm Beach County's COVID deaths is alarming.
This really shows the disparities. It's really amazing.
Dr. Terry Adiram says a lot of the COVID-19 data doesn't surprise her, but one thing she saw reviewing the Palm Beach County Medical Examiner records jumped out.
Most of the deaths in the younger age group are in Blacks and Hispanics. That's shocking.
We knew minorities were testing positive for COVID-19 at disproportionately higher rates across the country, but the rate at which they are dying in Palm Beach County compared to white people is dramatic. Here's how the medical examiner's report breaks down since the pandemic began. There were 2 COVID deaths in Palm Beach County for those under the age of 30. Both were Hispanic. For ages 30 to 39, there were 11 deaths. 90% were black or Hispanic. For ages 40 to 49, 22 deaths with 90% black or Hispanic. 39 deaths among ages 50 to 59 with 87% black or Hispanic, and 92 deaths for ages 60 to 69, 73% black or Hispanic.
They're not surprising to me. They're tragic, but they're not surprising.
Lake Worth Beach Commissioner Omari Hardy represents a city that's a COVID-19 hotspot and 65% non-white. He says these trends call for more testing resources to be deployed to black and Hispanic communities so cases are caught sooner and outbreaks contained. While Dr. Adiram believes the trends are due in part to more minorities being essential workers with increased exposure to the virus, Commissioner Hardy thinks it's about a lot more, like access to health care, housing overcrowding, and the prevalence of pre-existing conditions like diabetes and asthma that make COVID cases worse.
This is not just about COVID-19. These are about health disparities that have existed for a long time that we are seeing more clearly because of COVID-19.
In West Palm Beach, Danielle Waugh, CBS 12 News.